This is a Trane XE1000 air conditioner. Has a climate-tough reciprocating compressor, high efficiency, and 10 SEER, 2.5 ton, manufactured February 2009, and has R22. There's my grandmother's temp star over there. Temp star is a 4 ton. Well, it's actually a Kenmore temp star, but small little unit, pretty nice. I like these old Tranes. Very small, comes up to like here on me, like on my knees. Dryer duct. Little thing. Not very big at all. It's at a pretty small house. Then neighbors over here have a Frigidaire. I don't know how well you can see it because it's actually pretty far off, but little 1.5 ton Frigidaire. Right back there. That house has a single zone and there's no basement, so it is a big house, but it only has a 1.5, maybe 1.5, 2 ton Frigidaire. So that little Frigidaire is tiny. It comes up to like my thigh. It's like, I think Classified Info has one of those at his work, and it's a 2 ton. So, well, his old work, I guess. But high efficiency. Yeah, it's a nice unit. This thing's run quite often, and it's average amount loud. Fan spins really fast. You hardly even hear the compressor on this one. The fan spins so fast. It has spine fin coils. Clean. Very clean coils, actually. 2.5 ton. Okay. Thank you for watching.